Hey folks, William here, LRB Adventures. Thanks for stopping by. We are heading into Adventureland. We are going to go to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. We cannot wait to do this every time we come in. It is a great way, first of all, to get out of the heat and also to get off your feet and just enjoy a relaxing show. And again, this show is in a theater that basically has a 360-degree view. No matter where you sit, you're going to be able to see a great view. The Enchanted Tiki Room actually started in 1963 in Disneyland. And the groundbreaking technology back then, it basically allowed animators to synchronize movements and audio and visual effects, paving the way for other classic attractions that we see still to this day. And It's a Small World, Pirates of the Caribbean, and the Haunted Mansion, and so on and so on. This is a wonderful show. You basically have a sing-along with a bunch of exotic birds, flowers, tiki statues, and things of that sort. So it's fun, it's exciting, the whole family, as you'll hear in this setting this time. Check it out, see what you think, and also, this is one of the places you can get Dole Whips as soon as you leave the attraction, right out the door, right to your left.
Buenos dias, senorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's Joe time.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my number perch. Glad to see you all aboard, sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
Ole, it's Joe time.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room.
All the birds sing word
And the flowers groom in the tiki room.
Welcome to our tropical hideaway, you lucky people, you. If we weren't in the show starting right away, we'd be the audience too.
All together in the tiki room, in the tiki room.
All the birds sing word
And the flowers groom in the tiki room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing solo.
See, so low we can't hear you.
My voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is, it's not far enough out of this world. It's not right, Herr Schmidt. I see Schmidt has no hair.
Mi amigo, stop the clucking. You sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are called macaws.
because of their claws.
No, because they're macaws. And a fine feathered friend is a jolly toucan. And two can sound better than one toucan.
The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room.
All the birds sing word
And the flowers groom.
In the tiki room.
Our magnificent production is yet to come. So strum the guitar and beat the drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore us. So come on and join us in another chorus.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room.
A little softer,
Words and the flowers groom.
In the tiki room.
a little louder.
Tiki room, in the tiki room. All the birds sing words and the flowers groom in the tiki room.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand. And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is.
Look, here come the girls.
Ach, ja, and a wunderbar birdmobile. It has birds on it and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a birdmobile.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble. Just like the fully bergère with all the feathers, there's Colette, hello Kelly. Suzette, hello Mimi. Gigi, Fifi, Josephine.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
Kids all sing like the birds sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's all sing like the birds sing. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's all waddle like nightingales. Give your thought a treat. Take your time from the birds, now you all know the words. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Let's all sing like the birds sing. Ba-ba-boo, ba-ba-boo, ba-ba-boo.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 ma, that bird sings sweetly.
Let's all wobble like nightingales. Ah, baby, c'est magnifique. Take your time from the birds. Now you all know the words.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Ah, applause, applause, that was so good.
Wunderbar, wunderbar.
That was magnifique.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Yeah, the bird stands still and the tiki room flies away.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the island a musical lure.
somebody has stolen my thunder.
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But me out, every cloud has a silver line.
Monsieur and Madame, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happen here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
The birdies and their friends. You've heard the flowers sing. In these kind crowds. Hear them do the chant.
Ole, ole! Applause! Let's give the birds a standing ovation. Applause! Up, down there! Applause! Everybody stand up on your feet. Ole!
And now, as long as you're all standing,
We have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar Trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all